Travel smarter, dress better, eat like a genius. If you're traveling, roll your clothes instead of folding them. Your bag suddenly has space like magic. Always screenshot your tickets because network can disappear when you need it most. And never travel with an empty water bottle. Refill it after security and save money instantly. Wrinkled shirt with no iron? Hang it in the bathroom while you shower. Steam does the job. White sneakers looking old? Toothpaste plus a brush brings them back to life. And here's the secret drip hack. Wear only 2 main colors. Simple outfits always look expensive. You can wear baggy on baggy, tight on baggy, sweater on tights. It makes you look more stylish. Freeze leftovers instead of throwing them away. It saves you more money. Never use the same oil more than twice. Wash your things immediately. Never procrastinate. That's future you saying thank you. Here's the real-life cheat code. Plan how you travel, how you dress, and how you eat. I know some of you are watching this instead of doing something, so stop procrastinating and go do it. Less stress, more enjoyment. Follow for more hacks that make life easier without making it boring.